Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you guys are at in the world. Let me welcome you to our TFU scalping system. I'm going to share with you very quickly how to simply use this system and be very profitable with trading in the Forex space. Now, this system is designed for one particular pair, and we've been doing very, very well with this pair, and that is trading gold. And so when you're joining us in the live community, you're going to be focusing, or we're going to be focusing on trading just gold. We're going to show you 4 simple things that you need to do in order to learn how to trade and to be profitable. We're going to show you how to enter a trade. We're going to show you how to exit a trade. We're going to show you how to set your take profit and how to set your stop loss. We're going to be giving you access, when you are part of our community, signals to take these trades where you can just simply copy and paste the signals that we give out. If you upgrade to the higher package that we will share with you guys, if you're interested, you will not only get access to the signals, but you will also get access to the hands-free copier system, where the trades will be actually taken for you so that you don't have to even physically copy and paste. Or if you're upgrading to the higher package with our live community, you will get access to this scalping system that will show you the exact time you should be looking for trades in the market and when to get out of the market. So let me share that with you very quickly on how this will work. This little line right here is the start line. That's when you start looking for trades. Now, we all live in different parts of the world, so I'm going to be speaking to you from Central Time Zone. Of course, if you live in Eastern Time Zone, you can just, 1 hour later. And then, of course, if you're in Pacific or wherever you're at in the world, you can figure it out on the time. Again, a lot of this, most of it, we're going to teach you once you join our community. So this green line, I won't take any trades before this green line. I wait for this green line to show up, and then I take all the setups after the green line. And then the last trade that I would look to take is when this red line show up. That means stop. We're done trading. The volume of this time or this day has ended. So any trades that you take after that or before that, you're in a high risk zone of it not working for you. But if you take these trades inside this zone, you will see that you will win a vast majority of your trades. Of course, I do not guarantee you to win every trade, but there is a high percentage winning ratio with trading within the zone with this TFU scalping system. Now, how simple is it to trade, guys? It's 2 things that you're looking for. All right, 2 simple things you're looking for. Actually, 3. I take it back. 3. You're going to be looking for a star. The star is not something that has to be there, but it's good to see it. You see this little arrow. This arrow is telling you the direction that you're looking to take. If the arrow is pointing down, you're looking for a sell. If the arrow is pointing up, you're looking for a buy. Then you're going to be waiting for your bomb. This is a little arrow, but it will be, when you actually receive it, it's going to be a bomb looking icon. So this right here says there's my star. I'm on the inside of the volume zone. I have my arrow. There is my bomb. It closed. I take the trade. How many pips are you looking for? Remember, you're trading in the 1-minute window. So we're looking for 10 to 20 pips, or you can hold the trade until you see the star. Let me say that again. What are you looking for once you get the setup? Star, if it's there. It doesn't have to be there, but you would like to see it. Your exhaust arrow, and you're looking for your entry bomb. All right, once you get it, you're looking for 10 to 20 pips, or you can hold the trade until you get the star. When you see the star, that is a sign that this trade may be exhausted. You may want to take your profit and run. Doesn't mean that it will not continue to go down, but it is an early sign for you to exit the trade. So guys, here's an example of a sale. 1, 2, arrow down. I just put a little line there. I removed the line so you guys can see it. That's my signal. Take the trade, guys. Easily you would have got your 20 pips. That went over 100 pips. your first arrow, your first star came right there. So if you wanted to get out of that trade, or I would advise you to get out, that would have been 30 pips. Do you understand that? That's 30 pips in one trade. Now, what time is this? Of course, this line will start at 5 o'clock Central Time. So 6 a.m. Eastern. And then, of course, you can see Pacific as well. And then wherever you live in the world, because you can trade anywhere in the world. So let's look at another setup real quick. Again, star. This happened today. So as I'm recording this, these are the actual trades that I took today. Star. You have the exhaust arrow. There's your bomb that will be there. You would take the trade right here. The star literally did not come to right there. So that would have been 58 pips. But you would have been looking for 10 to 20 to be safe. And if you want to hold the trade, you can hold it to the next star. It closed right there. You exit that trade. Boom. You're good to go. All right. The star actually came right here. No, I'll take that back. That star came here. Then it went here. Then it went here. So people say, well, how do I hold that trade for longer? Now, once you join us, we'll teach you how to do that. But I'm just going to teach you the basics. Let's look at another one real quick. Star. Got our exhaust. It's a different color. We will also teach you the difference of these colors of these exhausts, but I won't do it now. But it's still a trade because it's inside the trade zone. There is your signal there. It went down 18 pips. So if you were looking for 18, anywhere from 10 to 20, you would have got it there. It pulled back on you, but it had nothing telling you to exit this trade. So you were just in a little bit of drawdown, and it came right back down, gave you 30 pips. Pulled back some more, came down, gave you the star. That would have been your exit right there. So you would have made anywhere from 10 to 20 plus pips. So imagine that's 3 trades. If you were looking for 15 pips, just want to go with the even part, that would have been 15. That's 30. That's 45 pips. And we're going to teach you how you can get anywhere from 30 to 50 pips a day simply trading this scalping strategy within a trading zone. All right. Gold is very consistent in giving you pips inside this window, this green line all the way to the red line. All right, I'm going to look at another one more. Same here. Here's another buy. Star. Got our exhaust signal. We got our bomb right here. Guys, easy pips. And we can show you how to do this on a daily basis. But you need to be a part of our community to get access to this. You know why? Because this is not something that I sell. I don't sell this system. You have to be a part of our TFU Life community organization. So if you want to get more information about that so that you can, one, you can get this as little as $60 a month. And this will provide you with just signals. So we will send out the signals. We'll tell you your entry. We'll give you target take profits on these gold trades. And you can be a part of our community and just get access to those signals. You can upgrade to our higher package. I think it's like $112 a month. And this will give you not only access to the signals, but you'll get access to the hands-free copier system. So the same trades that were given out as signals, those trades will be taken. And if you're connected to the copier, you will be able to get access to those trades, even if you didn't physically take the trades yourself. And of course, I know a lot of people are going to do that because they may not have the time to physically enter those signals, but they would like to still be involved with those trades. And then the third is if you're in that, if you have the bigger package, not only will you get the signals, you will get access to the copier, but you will also get access to this simple scalping system so that you can trade it on your own for yourself. Now, for the copier is a third-party service. So there is an additional $15 monthly fee to that if you decide to upgrade. You're not obligated to connect. You're not even obligated to upgrade, but to get access to even the signals is a minimum of $60 a month. If you want to get the signals plus the copier and access to this trading system, it will be $112, I think, a month for the life services. Then the $15 $15 for the copier. So whatever the tax is, it could probably be somewhere around $130, $135. So guys, I'm going to share this with you and I'll end this video. This is what we did in the last 2 days of just using this one scalping strategy with the TFU Life system and trading within the zone of that strategy. So yesterday, 1/18, which was Monday, we found 5 trades, and we got 25 on one, 20 on the other, 25, 22, and I think 15. And then today, the market was what? I'll show you guys on the higher time frame because you'll see how we're able to scalp it in the lower time frame. 30 pips, 50 pips, 35, 25, and 17 for a total in 2 days of trading in the 1 minute window scalping. It was right at 265 pips, guys. So let me go back here and I'm going to show you. Most people like to trade the higher time frame. If you were trading the higher time frame, this is what this would look like. So today, this was the market. So if you were trading this in the 1 hour window, this market would have been considered as consolidation. And it is, because the market is not truly trending anywhere. But we don't trade the higher time frame. Even if you were trading a 15-minute window, you would still saw the same thing. The market was not even trending. But because we have a system that is very pinpoint in grabbing great entries inside of the 1 minute window, where you guys are going to get the signals, as well as if you upgrade, you get access to the hands-free, you will see how simple it is. Once it gets there, takes a little while, that we could get in those trades that I was just showing you earlier. So you'll see that in the 1 minute window, all of those signals was clearly giving you good entries, and you were able to enter those trades with no problem. But it's kind of freezing up right now, but this guys give you a little idea of what our system is. All right, there it is right there. We go back, open it up, and you guys can clearly see that these are the trades. Once again, what was consolidating in the higher time frame were actually great movements in the lower time frame. So guys, if you want to get access to what we got going on here, you have to first join our Life community group. You get with the person who invited you and shared this with you. They will give you more details on how you can choose to just get the signals, get your hands on the copier, or get your hands on everything, the signals, the copier, and access to this system so that you can trade it on your own. We will do live training on how to literally take these trades. We do Q&A, and guys, a lot of times we will trade live once or twice a week so that you can trade with us and see exactly what we're doing to take these trades. Get back with the person who shared this with you. Let them know you're ready to get positioned with the TFU Life group, and you will be a part of our group. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video.